What would happen if one side of Earth always faced the sun? A fan asked an interesting question. What if Earth became tidally locked to the sun, always showing the same side to it? This fan has quite an imagination. Alright, let's make it happen. Time to run a simulation. We'll set up a solar system model, locate Earth, and adjust its rotation period to 365 days, ensuring that one side always faces the sun. Now, we hit the start button, set the time speed to 5 million times normal, and observe Earth's data changes. The global temperature map reveals extreme differences. One side is permanently bathed in sunlight, while the other remains in eternal darkness. A few years later, Earth becomes half frozen in an ice age, while the other half turns into a deep fryer. The sunlit side heats up to over 100 degrees Celsius, similar to Mercury's daytime. The dark side keeps cooling down, dropping below minus 150 degrees Celsius, much like the moon at night. The massive temperature contrast leads to violent storms, resembling super hurricanes. Hot air rises from the sunlit side, cold air sinks on the dark side, creating global-scale, never-ending storms. The equator becomes a permanent hurricane and extreme wind zone. Meanwhile, on the dark side, a permanent ice sheet forms, locking water in frozen form and disrupting the water cycle. The ecosystem cannot adapt, leading to mass extinctions, with only extremophiles managing to survive. If humans want to stay alive, they need to build shelters in the twilight zone, where temperatures remain relatively stable. In short, if Earth became tidally locked, it would turn into an extremely hostile world, much like Venus, the Moon, or Mercury, and would no longer be habitable for humans. So, dear fan, are you satisfied? Once again, you've managed to ruin Earth. What should I simulate next? Drop your ideas in the comments. And don't forget to follow.